Welcome guys. We will start in a few minutes. We'll just wait till everyone is joined. Welcome everyone. We're just waiting a few minutes till everyone is joined and then we'll start the stream. Alright guys, let's start. Of course we're gonna start with looking at gold again. Let's see, a lot of down volume today again. Were some nice sells. Let's see if we can get a position. Like always, like the last streams, we will try and see if the right setup occurs. As you can see, we're still having bearish momentum right now, but overall on the longer term I'm still bullish. Let's see if we can get a small position here. Let's see. Maybe we'll buy a small position because of this sweep, but let's see if it respects this, and then maybe we can get some bullish momentum. Let's see if we can get a little bit. Which one of you guys were in the last stream of Tuesday? Let's see, still some bearish momentum here. Let's see if we can find a position here. On the higher time frame, still a lot of bearishness the past hours. Maybe to this low. Alright guys, welcome everyone, how are y'all doing? We're still trying to see if we can get any nice position here. A lot of bearishness the last day. So we will see what's gonna happen. Here were some beautiful sells from this leg down all the way to these lows. Let's see if it respects this one or it's going to take out this low. Or maybe we will catch a small buy until this one. Maybe we will see. Still deciding. Or we're going for this low. Let's see what the volume does here. Maybe we will enter a sell above here to the downside again, somewhere similar to this. Let's see what it does here. In the meantime, if you have any questions, of course, put them in the chat. We'll take a look at it. And which one of your guys was in the last stream of Tuesday? Let's see if we can keep up this bearish momentum or if it's going to switch to some bullishness right now. Let's see, maybe we'll enter something similar to this one. When I enter, of course, I will let you guys know, like the last streams. Which one of you guys was in all 5 of the last streams? This is the 6th one we are doing, and all last 5 had the TP. Gonna wait. When I enter, I will tell you guys. I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. I'm waiting till I see the right setup. See, I'm not in yet. I'm not in the trade yet. I will let you guys know. And I think I'm gonna enter any second. Let's see how it reacts from this area. And when I enter, of course, I will let you guys know. But still, if this keeps up bullishness, I will not enter a sell. So I will let you guys know when I'm in. I'm not in yet. If I want to sell, I will let you guys know immediately, but not yet. Let's see. I'm not in yet. I think it's gonna keep up bullish momentum here, so we gotta be careful with selling too early. That's why I didn't enter yet, and I'm still waiting before I want to enter. And then maybe we will take something here, but we'll have to see. I'm not in the trade yet. Alright, maybe we will enter a sell here. If I do, I'm gonna let you know. And I think I'm gonna enter here, small sell. Alright, I entered a low position here. I'll put it in the chat as well. My bad. Wait a second, it's a sell. It's a sell on 3274. I'll put it in the chat right now as well. A low risk sell position. Let's see. If we can get some momentum. I have the TP1 at 6.7. Excuse is at 6. I will update it for you guys right now and put it in the chat. I'm in a low position here right now. Alright, it's in the chat, guys. I'm in a low risk entry position here. I see still some bullish momentum. If it's gonna turn bullish, then we'll look in the group for another setup tonight, but for now it's a low risk position here. These are the TPs we have. We'll have to wait. I think it's gonna keep up bullish momentum here. Of course, the whole day we have been bearish, unfortunately. Let's see what it does. If you didn't enter, you can enter late right now. If you didn't enter, you can enter late right now. So change to 7.6 if you enter now. A low risk position. Let's see. It's not the best entry today. Last 5 streams we had TP, but it is more to the bullish side right now on the lower time frame. We have to see if it can still go down. If you didn't enter with us because it was really fast, we got some high momentum here, then enter on a low risk position here and put your stop higher if you still want to enter. If you didn't, be careful and manage your risk properly. No, I'm not gonna change. I will accept it if it was a bad entry. It's not an issue. The last 5 trades that we had on stream were TPs, and of course in the group we're going to search further. If it turns out to be bullish momentum, we will update you guys there, and I will send the second one in the group, so make sure you stay tuned. Let's see what it does. For the guys that didn't know what the inputs were, these ones are the right input ones. I will send them in a bit right now. I will send the right inputs if you didn't see it yet. It won't allow me to put it on the screen, so look in the chat. I will send again now. It's a sell, the entry, the TPs. I will show them there right now. Let's see, we're back in profit a little bit. If it hits TP1, I'm gonna take off 30% actually now because of the high volatility, and I'm gonna put my stop at break even because we had a bad entry. The entry was not the best, so we'll see. Make sure to see the inputs here. These are the correct inputs, or you can follow it on my screen. If we hit TP1, sorry, then I will close 30% of the position. Alright, close 30%, nice profits. I closed 30% here, and I put my stop. I'm gonna wait with break even. I'm gonna put it at 7.6, and then TP2 is at 6.7. Here, TP2 is here, so I'm actually gonna put my stop, maybe break even in a bit, but I closed 30% here. If it's gonna hit TP2 or shows momentum here, I will put it at break even because it's so high volatile. Let's see. Like the last 5 streams, guys, we only had winners till now. We didn't have a stop loss yet, only TPs, and sometimes it hit break even after that, but that's the whole point of going break even. Maybe I'm gonna put it break even. I think I will. Alright, let's put our stop at break even. We already had a beautiful day, and I think maybe tonight there will be sent another trade inside the VIP. So if you want the new position tonight, text the help desk. For now, close 30%, and at TP2 I will close another 30% or 20%, but let's see. We're risk off, so we don't risk anything right now. It's another profitable day for us, so 30% is off. And I want to know, guys, which one of you guys is here the 6th time. This is the 6th stream we did. if I count right, that we took a live trade together. We had 5 TPs so far, and yeah, obviously 6 this today. Even if it's only 30%, it's still profits. So let's see if it can go. All 6, nice. And for the ones that had a late entry, you have a very good position right now. If it hits TP2, of course we'll take some partials again. Let me know, guys, are you in the trade or not? I see some good volume, so of course, if you didn't put your stop at break even, do it now. If we hit TP2, I'm gonna take off another 20%, so that makes 50% of the position, and I will let the rest run till full TP. That's here. Alright, I'm gonna take 20% off right now, so close some partials, guys. If you didn't, make sure you manage your risk properly. We have 50% off right now. Let's see if we can hit full TP. I see some very nice volume, boys. Let's see if we can keep it up and hit full TP, but still, we made some nice profits now. Let's go, guys. Let's see if we can hit full TP. Would be amazing. And then, of course, we'll try to look further. What I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna close my position at this low to prevent any reversals if we can hit the low, of course. Already 50% closed, and full TP is now at 264 if you haven't done it yet. 264. Let's see if we can hit full TP. There is no risk on the table. We already have 50% of the profits closed. Now let's wait. Small reversal is normal after such high volume. Alright, see some up volume. It's no issue at all. We already made some nice profits. If you haven't done yet, like this stream so we see the engagement, and we will keep the streams up for you guys. Let's see if we can hit full TP. We need to be patient here. Let's see. And of course, if you made some profits, send it to the help desk link in the link down below. I want to see it. Would be lovely. And of course, watch back the old streams as well if you want to have some free value. There's a lot of free education there, how we manage positions, and of course how we do it in the group every day. But it's all on the channel, publicly available. This is the 6th trade we took with the whole group on the live stream. Hopefully it's gonna hit full TP. We already closed 50%. So let's see, guys, if we can get full TP. which one of you guys are still in this position and are holding it to 264 together with me, or are you guys already out? Let me know if you followed the exact steps. Nice. Alright, nice. I think it will hit, we just gotta be patient, but make sure to follow the proper management like we did. Close 30%, 20% already, so 50% out. Now let's see if we can get that final push to full TP. Alright, let's see if we can get that final push. And for the ones that got a late entry when we were in drawdown, very nice job. You just got another extra 30 pips, somewhere like that. Let's see, maybe it will go up first and take these highs out, but of course our stop loss is at break even, so it isn't an issue. We just stay patient. Even if this happens, it's still okay. We just let it play out, and of course follow the right management steps. Alright, let's see if it pushes through right now. I see that there is a lot less people than last streams. Of course they missed it. Make sure you're always sharp, like inside the group where we share trades like these. Let's see, it leaves 3 lows here, so I expect this to be taken out. Why? Because there is a lot of liquidity laying here and underneath this low, and on the higher time frame what you want to see for some bullishness is, of course, it did that, it broke this. You want to see it down below to fake it out and see if we can get some bullish volume here. Bullish. So I expect it to hit full TP personally, but of course we just let it play out. Yeah, a lot of bearish momentum all of a sudden. But yeah, we were expecting some bearish movements to this low to here maybe continue or take out the next low as well. But I didn't expect it to go above this one. But it's no issue, because that's why we leave some room behind the highs and we don't do it tight. We leave some room for these things to happen. So we can let price do its thing and just follow the bigger picture. This is the 6th stream as well, 60 piece, so let's see if we can keep this winning momentum up. Very nice for the ones that have been there every stream, or most of them. Very nice job. Then you made a lot of profits. And of course these are just one trades a stream. In the group we have multiple a day. Let's see if we can get that final push. And that's it guys, full TP hit, and it's even going further. That was it guys. Who made some profit, let me know. I'm out of this trade. Let me know in the chat. I'm out 100% of profits. Which one of you guys made some nice profits? Let me know in the chat. And of course we will do this more often if you guys would like to see that. Alright guys, this was the trade again. We have another TP. Why did I close it here? I see a lot of you guys saying maybe it's gonna dump further. Yes, maybe it will. It will go down further, but it's better to manage your risk properly, take some profits, rather than losing it all on being wrong. We made a nice TP here, we closed, we managed the risk properly with our stop at break even at TP2, and we closed early. Why? Because it took out this low. It showed a little bit of bullish momentum on the lower time frame. So what can you expect here is again a bullish leg. What can you do? You can sell it again when it comes higher, and if it goes further, no issue. If we see in good position, it will be in the group as well. So for the stream, this was a beautiful entry again. All TPs hit. So yeah guys, it's just as transparent as it gets. I did it the 6th time for you guys, and I would love to do this more if you guys want to see that, of course. And I think I will be ending the stream in a few minutes. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll take a look at them before we end. And of course, a nice way to end the week. Yeah, I expect some bullishness right now, maybe a little bit, and probably it's gonna go mid-range here. If not, I would like to see it below this low minimum, but yeah, we'll see. I expect a little bit of volume to the upside. That's why I exit the trade here. What I mean with break even means our stop was at this level. When we hit TP and we close our profits, like partials, I put it at break even, so I put my stop loss on the level just below the level I entered. So if it get hit, I don't lose anything and I have the partial profits, so you still have a winning trade. That's why you manage your risk properly, so when you're wrong in the markets, but your first move was right, you still made profits. So you don't gotta be right all the time to make profits. And like we said, we expected some bullishness below this low. It is happening now. I expect it to go a little bit higher to here and maybe down from there, but yeah, we'll see. That's why I closed the trade here and I didn't let it go all the way to this one yet. It's better to take another position in the group if we see one here. No need to extra risk here. So yeah, that was the trade, guys. Of course, there can always be a chance that goes up, but for now we just react. We don't predict markets of next week. We just do our outlook, also online in the stream in weekends. But yeah, we just react to the price action. When we see something, we will put it in there. No, it's not Mike. Indeed, like we said in multiple streams, we have a very high professional team here, and that's where we do it with, including Mike. I think it will go up a bit more, personally. It's showing more volume to the upside, that's why I closed this position here. But yeah, we'll have to see. Overall, on the higher time frame, still want to go to these lows before we can see a massive up leg again. But we'll have to see. Now it's showing some downside. Alright guys, beautiful trade. I will end the stream in a bit, and I'll see you guys next stream. Thank you guys, have a nice weekend, and enjoy the profits.